What's up YouTube? This is B-Side Investing. We're looking into RIOT blockchain. So they have just recently added onto their already previously ordered purchase order from Bitmain. So we're going to look into that just a minute. Just want to go through their website. It looks fantastic. Holy cow. Like, you should have seen the previous version. It's like night and day, pretty much. Literally night and day. So they got a new logo now. I mean, their previous logo was like bluish white. So now this looks like honey, like bees, that type of thing. So I think that was the press release. Okay, so they have a lot of information here. Holy cow. So if we go to the main screen, yeah, beautiful. So they have their exahash, all that efficiency, wattage per terahash. Jeez, they have that everything in here. So they also have their order history. If you look at for 2020 and 2021, January to April, really beautiful graph. Like I like this UI. It's really nice. It's really okay. Yeah, they did dip though, minus 10%. Okay, let's go to their price. Let's see. So this news was released on, I want to say 13 hours ago. So 13 hours ago would be what, like 10 a.m. So 8:45 a.m. So not sure why it dropped. I mean, it's a new order. Like, let's just for comparison's sake, Hive released news, and they didn't release a new order. They just announced their fiscal year-end hodl, and this was what, at 1 a.m. 8 a.m. to 1 a.m. It's not much of a difference. People are sleeping, so I don't see how this is up and RIOT is down. That doesn't make any sense. Anyways, let's see. So RIOT, if you didn't know, if you look at the holder, like who holds RIOT shares, it's big time. Vanguard, BlackRock, Morgan Stanley. Look at the mutual fund as well, Vanguard, Fidelity, and they hold a lot. SPDR holds $51 million worth, and let's see, I don't know how to pronounce that, but Susquehanna, if I'm butchering that, sorry, Vanguard Group, and yeah, a lot. I think that's over 300 mil plus, and just institutional investors. So that's almost 20%. So wow. Okay, so let's get into the article here. So it says, beautiful website, by the way. I'm just digging this whole vibe right here. Okay, I've highlighted some key points, and we'll go over that. But title of the article is RIOT blockchain announces milestone purchase order of 42,000 S19J Antminers, growing total hash rate to 7.7 exahash upon 2022 deployment. So that would be Q4 2022. That 7.7 exahash goal is in October. So let's get into the numbers, the details. We are looking at 42,000 S19J Antminers. And that's from Bitmain Antminer, and that's total value of $139 million. Wow, that's a lot. And that adds 3.7 exahash. Holy cow, that is beauty. Okay, let's look at the S19J. It's a new miner released this year, April, June, so next month. So that's 90 terahash per second, and just under $9 difference from the top dogs. Okay, interesting. Okay, so So that's 42,000 total units. That's additional units on top of the orders that they already have placed for their 4 exahash target. And looking at, let's see, so the agreement, strategic initiative, blah blah blah. They kind of have a partnership going on at this time, at this point. I mean, what was the total number here? Yeah, so it's nearly like long-term relationship type deal that they got going on. $230 million in orders already placed, and it's some of them are on the way, and some of them are future orders. So, and since last late 2019. So, yeah, beautiful. Okay, so let's get into the numbers. So it'll be 3.7 exahash addition, total 7.7 exahash, and that'll be once fully deployed. And the growth level is 93% from the 4 exahash target. Okay. And let's see, previously committed of, so that's by October 2021. Of course, this is only if the deployment, the delivery is on schedule. Now with the chip shortage and all that, it could be delayed further. We never know, but I think it looks good for now. We'll see how it comes when it's closer to delivering the product. We'll know more. So hopefully they release those information as well. Let's see. So the purchase agreement significantly bolsters RIOT's projected growth. RIOT is scheduled to receive a minimum of 3,500 S19J Antminers on a monthly basis starting November 2021. Now we know that in Q4 of RIOT, they're getting to 4 exahash by October. So starting November, they will be getting 3,500 units of S19J Antminers on a monthly basis, all the way to October of next year. So let's see, yeah, November to October. So each, let's see, so 3,500 units. Let's do a quick calculation, right? 3,500 times, whoops, times. Now the S19J, right? S19J is 90 terahash times. So we'll be going with 0.09. Yeah, 0.09. So that'll give us 315 petahash per month. So that's good. Let's see. So what else we got here? 4 exahash, blah blah blah. RIOT's existing fleet of miners has already positioned the company as an American leader in Bitcoin mining. Maybe not so anymore. I mean, I don't know if this Mara's hash rate is totally accurate. They haven't released their hash rate, which is puzzling to me because they just recently released an article about their HODL and their delivery numbers. So I don't know why they didn't update the hash rate, release the hash rate number. So, but if that's not accurate, then by next month they should be beating them already. So Mara, no one's gonna beat Mara. So pretty much, yeah. Let's see. So by nearly doubling its planned hash rate capacity, RIOT continues to take great strides forward in growing both the company's and the United States share of the global network hash rate. A long way to go, but keep on trucking. Let's see. So we are proud of this accomplishment and remain focused on continuing to evaluate additional opportunities in the space. Okay, so once fully deployed, their fleet will be approximately 81,150 Antminers. So that's 95% of which are the latest generation S19 series models. So the S19 series models include S19 Pro, S19J Pro, S19, just the S19, S19J, and I think that was that, yeah. And let's see, S19 and so S19J operates at 90 terahash per second and consumes 3100 watts of energy with all the miners fully deployed. Company's total fleet is expected to consume approximately 257.6 megawatts of energy with an overall hash rate efficiency of 32 joules per terahash. Yeah, of course, I mean, you're pretty much on the top, the very, very top percentile of the efficiency. Income to electricity rate is pretty good. So electricity usage, let's see, so this new purchase order continues to demonstrate RIOT's commitment as a market leader to building one of the most efficient Bitcoin mining fleets in the industry. I mean, we'll see. I mean, if you release your cost to mine one Bitcoin, we can keep track of who's more efficient. Bitfarms is around, I want to say, 65 to 7 US dollars. I think Mara was also around there, so we'll see what RIOT is if they release that number. So yeah, I think that was it for that. Now, what confuses me is why they didn't get the S19. What was it? S19J Pro. Like, was that already taken? I mean, let's look at the price. If the price is still there, so about 10K. It's on pre-order for 10K. Yeah, about 10K. And let's see, so 10K and the S19J Pro is about 10K. So I mean, I don't understand why they didn't go for S19J. The profitability for the year, it looks like 18K almost with current Bitcoin price, and for the S19J, it's 15.6. So what's going on? I don't. Maybe there's something. Maybe we are not seeing the whole picture. I don't understand. 15.6 to 18K. You're kind of losing out. I mean, it's pretty much the same power usage. Pretty much. I mean, what is it? This one's even less. This one's 200 watts less. So this is even way more efficient. Look at the electricity cost. $8.78. And this is $9.36. So yeah, that adds up. I mean, over time, this is only per day, so that's about $1, maybe less than $1. Let's see, what was it? 9.36. So that's about 50 cents, give or take. So yeah, that adds up. So anyways, I'm sure they have a reason why they didn't go for the S19J Pro. I would have liked to see more of this. I mean, with 10 terahash more, we could have been looking at, let's see, so they bought 42,000, let's see, so 42,000 units times point, let me just see what here, 0.09, so I'm going with 0.09, 0.01 times 42,000. Oh, whoops. So that's 420 petahash overall. So that could have been 8.12. Yeah. I mean, I don't, like like I said before. I mean, there could be a reason why they didn't go for it. That we may not like some information that we're not privy to. So of course, keep that in mind. Now this is all like speculation. Like I'm saying, like, oh, they could go for this, they could go for that, but then behind the scene, I mean, they literally that might have been out of stock. I don't know. So, all right, don't want to guess too much, but yeah. So I'm gonna do a video on Riot because they updated the website, and there's a lot of information in here that needs to be uncovered and shared, and there's a lot of numbers. So I will do a video on this, and keep an eye out for this. And yeah, so Riot, I think tomorrow we're gonna see, hopefully we'll see a rise. It's currently at 1.3. Bitcoin price is currently at 56.2. So it should have gone up because of that order. It's confusing why it didn't go up. So yeah, definitely. If you bought the dip today, I mean, congrats, right? So I mean, it's apples and oranges here, pretty much, with Mara and Riot. You can pick either one. You're pretty much winning. So I think I prefer Mara, but with Mara, institutional investors are very slim. Like, their investments are not as high as Riot. So if you look right here, go down here, there's only one, let's say two companies over $20 million. So if you look here with the Riot, there's 50, 45, 20, 30, 25, 22, 21, 21, 51. Yeah, you can see there's a lot more investment here by institutional investors. So yeah, so 11% compared to almost 20%. So, and also 20% float. Yeah, so anyways, I think that's it for this one. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe for more content on crypto companies. I am not invested in Riot. I'm invested in the Canadian companies. So I'm trying to max out my gains, and because those are kind of undervalued. So let's see. Yeah, so yeah, anyways, I don't want to keep you too long. So thank you for watching, and have a good one. Peace.